Meta laid off 8,000 employees this year and said AI made it possible. I checked the facts. Here's the real story. This happened back in May 2026. About 10% of Meta's entire 80,000-person workforce.
At the same time, 7,000 other employees were moved into new AI-focused teams. Not fired. Meta says this is about funding AI. They're spending up to $145 billion on AI infra this year alone. But here's what's important. Meta isn't alone. Amazon cut 16,000 jobs. Block cut 4,000, all AI linked. So this isn't one company's isolated decision. It's a pattern across almost every major tech company right now.
The honest takeaway? AI is real leverage for these cuts, but it's also a convenient explanation for cost cutting.
Either way, this is the biggest shift in tech hiring since 2022, and it's happening at almost every major company.
Want the full list? Every major tech company is cutting jobs, and it is all because of AI. Just comment facts and I'll send it over.